Women in their life wear multiple hats. I wanted to know what keeps you driving, what are the incentives, and what are the challenges you have faced so far.
So, yes, you're right. We're all working women. We're all working, whether we are homepreneurs, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs, or want to be preneurs. And of course, the home and the caring for the family and the children and all those also. But then sometimes there's a bigger objective in life is to work for other women. When you see the smile on the women whom you have helped, especially at the grassroots level, and you can bring them up to an economic status in which they can be proud of the fact that they don't have to ask permissions to go out or permissions to use their money. That is the biggest achievement, I think, because with economic सशक्तिकरण comes सामाजिक सशक्तिकरण एंड देर इंटरडिपेंडेंट लाइक तराजू के दो है ना समाज में आप ऊंचे हुए तो आप काम भी करना शुरू करोगे एंड वाइस वर्सा so I think the bigger object with all these women, because some of them are in defense, some are lawyers, some have chartered accountancy firms. You will see them, wine growers from all walks of life who are here today. But they all have dedicated their part of their life to this journey for power to empower the Fiki ladies and beyond.
Got it. Individually, I focus extensively on technology, and AI is everywhere right now. First of all, I want to know, do you use AI in your day to day life?
Well, I've started just using bit, because in my generation, computers भी पहले हमने धीरे धीरे सीखा फिर बाकी चीज. But this is my now mission, my own personal mission is to start big on this because and we've introduced this year. I have introduced initiative Women in Tech and AI, and I've started working on tinkering labs for young Yuva Shakti. So when I thought, yes, this is the latest thing, we should have it. But the more I have worked on this, I have realized the importance of learning this for women from every sphere of women, and especially for women to take part in this. This is the future.
When you say it's the future, how do you see technology, and especially when you talk about tech startups and all these things, do you see that these things are reaching to the ground level, tier 2 towns, tier 3 towns, वहाँ पे महिलाओं को वो सब फैसिलिटी, वो टेक का वो सारा एक इक्विटी मिल रही है कि नहीं मिल रही है?
So, for example, let me give you, I mean, to explain to you. So, we are mixing up all these things, all our initiatives. So, we have an initiative in startup and one in women in tech. So, with WISE, which is Women in STEM Entrepreneurship, we connected with them. They have these cohorts with it. Take these women. So, we have these startup girls of ours from all over India and from small backgrounds, maybe diverse from Kashmir to South India, everywhere. And we've connected to them. They've got the investors, and they are being trained online on how to do their legal compliances, their financial compliances, MSMEs also. There's micro industries. So we handhold them, and we get our women, whoever the experts in each field, and we do collaborations and MOUs with other organizations, and we carry them forward.
I just really want to know, under your leadership, what is your short term or near term ambition or goals you have set?
I came with the learning to Fiki Flow, and I learned a lot back from the ladies and the work that I have done and the people I've met, or the people outside Flow I've met in this year. And I plan to use all that knowledge and all the work that I've done and take them to the grassroots level and see how I can help. Not see, I will do it. Help women at the grassroots to come up to a certain level, economic level. I also want to talk about the conclaves you've done. So I took part in the AI summit. I was speaking there, and I also have done two AI summits in Delhi and in Bangalore, where we got people to speak on the future, on investment in AI in companies, and we've got Group Captain Shivanshu Shukla to give a talk to us. We had a humanoid, which was made in India, has been used in America for elder care. So, great conclaves, very interesting, and a great learning for me also.